Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a couple's OnlyFans account. So, let's get started. First of all, head to the OnlyFans website and click on the sign up button. You'll need to provide a valid email address, create a password, and set your username. Once your account is created, you can set up your profile by uploading a picture and writing a short bio that reflects your couple's identity. Next, to create content as a couple, you'll need to decide what type of content you'll be sharing. You can upload photos, videos, and even live stream your experience together. Make sure to set your subscription price and decide if you'll offer pay-per-view content. After this, you can start promoting your page through social media or other channels to gain followers. And that's it. Now you know how to create a couple's OnlyFans account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.